Good morning, sir. Okay, so here's the. Hopefully, you can hear me and see my screen. This is what you showed me on Class Dojo. So, what you should be able to do from here, if you go into this one that says courses, it's like a little book, and you'll see one that says Year 5, 2021, 2022. And then down below, you've got English and you've got maths. So if you click on either of these, doesn't really matter. But when you click onto that, you'll see a big long list. Now, this effectively is where all the work this week should be going. So, for example, math today, if you click on this one, it will take you into the maths lesson. Okay, so if you have a look at that one, and again, just to go back, they're under, I think it's under modules. So if you just have a look at those, and obviously if you asked about French as well, I believe French, Mrs. Day, her work should be here for you to see as well. So all the activities you need are there.